Hello students, in this video we will discuss about slope or gradient of a straight line. What is the slope? Slope is very familiar word. In Hindi, slope means dhal. Slope means dhal. What is the slope of straight line or gradient of straight line? Suppose this is a some earth I like this. So this is known as slope. But what is the slope? If suppose this is a plane earth and with this earth, what is the angle found by this line? Suppose this is the A, C and this is the B. What is the angle between AC and AB? This is theta. So this is known as slope. What is slope? That means tan of theta, means tangent of this angle is known as slope of AC line with AB line. Now we will discuss here how to find the slope and what is the mathematical definition of the slope. Slope is nothing but if a line form the angle with the x-axis in positive direction, that means in anti-clockwise, and tangent of that angle is known as slope or gradient of the straight line. Since slope or gradient of line is represented by small m or tan theta, that means m equal to tan theta. If we write the definition, then if a line make an angle with x-axis in positive direction, in anti-clockwise, then tangent of that angle is said to be slope of that line. Now you should be clear in this definition. Angle should be formed with the always x-axis. Angle should be in the positive direction with x-axis, and angle should be anti-clockwise. That means movement of that line with the x-axis should be in the anti-clockwise direction. Suppose this is a x-axis and this is the y-axis, and if line, suppose this is a line, make an angle theta with the x-axis, then slope of this line is represented by m, and this will be m equal to tangent of this angle, that means tan theta. This is known as slope. Now here m equal to tan theta, we write and denoted by m. You can see here this angle will be in the positive direction and move into the anti-clockwise direction also. So you can say that slope of this line is m equal to tan theta. Since theta is greater than or equal to 0 and less than or equal to 180 degree. This is the condition. Now, what will be slope of any line parallel to x-axis? What will be slope of any line parallel to x-axis? Since slope of a line parallel to x-axis is 0. This is very important point, you should be learn it. And slope of y-axis parallel to slope of a line parallel to y-axis is not defined. This result is very important. Reason that suppose if we take a line which is parallel to x-axis, suppose this marker is parallel to x-axis, so angle between this marker and x-axis is 0, because angle between two parallel line is 0. So angle between, that means theta equal to 0, therefore m equal to tan 0, and as you know that tan 0 equal to 0, that means slope of that line will be 0. And if we take any line parallel to the y-axis, that means this line will be perpendicular to x-axis, and angle between a line parallel to y-axis and x-axis will be theta equal to 90 degree. Then tan 90, slope of that line will be m equal to tan 90, and tan 90 means not defined or infinite. So slope of a line parallel to y-axis will be not defined. Now here we want to tell you what will be slope of x-axis. Since slope of x-axis, that means x-axis is the parallel of x-axis. That means, as you know that every line parallel to itself. So angle between x-axis and x-axis will be 0. Therefore slope of x-axis will be equal to 0. And slope of y-axis, since angle between y and x-axis is 90 degree, so this will be theta equal to 90. That means slope of y-axis is equal to not defined, or you can write 1 upon 0 also. So this is the slope of x-axis and this is the slope of y-axis. Here there are three results very important. First thing, slope of any line m equal to tan theta, where theta is the angle between that line and x-axis in the positive direction and in anti-clockwise direction. Theta will be lie between 0 and 180, but 0 and 180 will be also included. Slope of a line parallel to parallel to x-axis will be 0, and slope of a line parallel to y-axis will be not defined. Slope of x-axis equal to 0 and slope of y-axis is not defined, that means 1 upon 0. Now in the next video we will discuss about angle between two lines if slope of that lines is given.